Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode of this cool amazing bottle right here in my hand, and basically what this is a mini portable massage gun that you can bring with you guys anywhere. So you can use it at home, in the office, when you guys are traveling, anywhere you want to, that's up to you guys. But first thing first, let me actually open up the product to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it looks like right here. And once you guys open up this part here, that's what the inside looks like right there. So they do provide you guys a very nice little case right here for the actual product right here. But for the case itself, it does provide you guys a little wrist strap that you can bring it with you guys anywhere as you want. They also do provide you guys the zipper right here to open up the case. And the material on the case itself definitely feels really smooth and really nice as well. But let's open up and see what the inside looks like. Alright, so when we open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like inside. So they pretty much provide you guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to use the product itself. They provide you guys the cable, and I believe the cable is USB to USB-C. And they provide you guys two massage gun heads right here that's in use. And then right here we have the actual massage gun right here. Let's take it all out and show you guys what it looks like. So right here is the massage gun itself. As you can see, that looks amazing and feels amazing, and it is very lightweight. And it's super portable to the fact where you can actually just put this into your pocket. So I just put it in here just like this. You guys can see that it literally fits in your pocket, and you can just bring this with you guys anywhere. But in terms of the massage head, they only provide you guys two of them right here. If you guys can see, it's super small and portable. So literally all you guys need to do is just insert it here like this, push it all the way until it locks in, and then start using it. Same thing for the other one, you just have to pull this out like this, and then just put this one in here, push in all the way, and then you guys can start using it. So if you take a look right here, they do have the logo right here, and they have it on this side as well. And when you take a look at the bottom part right here, you can see that that is what it looks like right there. So they do have the indicator light right here, and they also have the indicator light right here for the charging option here. And then right here is a button to activate it. And when you guys are ready to use it, just simply just turn it on and then put your hand right here so you can get a very nice grip and just start using it on different parts of your body. So the cool thing about this massage gun, if you guys can see from the bottom part, it does use a USB-C cable. So it's not like your normal cable where you just need to plug into a wall outlet. This one, you guys can actually use any of these USB-C cable and just plug it into a wall outlet, or you can use it on your power bank to recharge it. And supposedly on one full charge on this product, when you guys fully charge it, it's supposed to last you guys up to a maximum of 6 hours. If you guys are wondering how powerful and how loud the actual massage gun is, all the information is right here. So you can see that I mentioned how it's supposed to have 3,200 powerful strokes per minute. And in terms of the dB noise level, it shouldn't be any higher than 39, which we'll find out whether or not that's true in a second. And obviously you guys can use it on different parts of your body. But one thing to know is that they only provide you guys two massage gun heads. So if you guys want more than two, then most likely this is not an ideal one for you guys. But I don't think you guys need too many. I think two of these are enough, especially if you guys want a super portable one to bring with you guys anywhere. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's actually test out the dB on here first and see how well that performs. And see whether or not it's actually below that 39 dB that I mentioned first before we actually test it out on itself. Alright, so let's turn it on first. So what you guys want to do is to press and hold it down right here. And then it turns on. If you guys press the button on the bottom, it changes to speed level 2. Press it one more time. Speed level 3. So there's 3 different speed levels on here. And when you guys want to turn it off, just press the bottom part there to turn it off. And that's how you guys turn it off. Alright, so let's test out the dB now and see how it performs. So I got my little tester right here. Let's turn it on. Alright, so when we test out the dB, as you can see that it's not below that 39, so that part is not true. But I don't think that's a huge issue unless you guys really care about the noise. I don't really care about the noise as long as the product itself works. But let me actually show you guys how to charge the product itself really quick on the bottom, and then we're going to test it out on ourselves. So I'm going to use the cable that they provide for me. So let's plug it in. Alright. So it's plugged in. If you guys can see, they have the little indicator right there to show you guys when it's charging. If you guys can see right there. So right now it's a red light right there, but I believe once it's fully charged, that light should turn off or should turn green. So that's how you guys know when it's fully charged or when it's charging. But now let's actually test out on ourselves and see how it feels and everything first. So I'm going to try it on speed level 1 first. Alright, so speed level 1 feels okay. It's not like super strong or anything. When you guys use a little bit of force to push it in, it actually doesn't stop, which is pretty good. Let me try and increase the speed to speed level 2. Alright, so level 2 is definitely much better. There's a lot more like vibration or percussion. I feel like speed level 2 definitely feels a lot better as well. And we have to use a little bit more force to push it in. It doesn't stop or anything, which is pretty nice. Now let's try speed level 3. Ooh. So speed level 3 definitely feels a lot more powerful. Even when you guys push a little bit more force into it, it doesn't stop at all. I think between all 3 of these levels right here, or these speed levels, I think level 3 is my favorite so far. Alright, so that's a quick little test of the product itself. You guys can see everything works pretty well, super easy to use. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this mini massage gun is pretty worth it if you guys are trying to look for one. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a mini massage gun instead of like the bigger ones, like the bulky ones. If you guys are trying to look for one that can fit into your pocket and works really well, then this one is definitely really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's been just for quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to click on that like button in the bottom. That'll definitely help this video out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.